This is workshop 19, and we're going to keep learning about superhooks. This time, we're going to learn about hooks using facts to make your essay stronger. First, let's give the facts. Another interesting hook you can use is a fact hook. It is simple. All you have to do is a little research and write an interesting fact that relates to the main topic. For example, some fun facts are: did you know the Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters taller in the summer? Or there are 4 national anthems in the world that have no words. Or maybe you could even find one about cheetahs and say cheetahs can run up to 60 miles per hour. That's fast. Now let's look at how to use a fact hook. Let's imagine the essay question is this: what is your favorite holiday? Here are some fact hooks we could write about holidays. Remember, all of these hooks are great if they're facts, and you could pick any of them for your essay. The first one is, each country has their own special holidays. That's true. What about, holidays are important in many cultures? Or we could say, did you know that most cultures enjoy large feasts on holidays? Now, these are all good hooks, but you should only use one hook if you think it is fun or interesting, related to your main idea, and something that makes you seem smart. If your fact doesn't satisfy all of the A, B, and C that I just mentioned, then you should use another hook. But if you do find some fun and relevant facts in your research, that's a great way to start your essay. Would you use any of these hooks from above? Now that we've discussed facts and how to use them as a hook, let's move on and do the practice questions.
All right, now let's do practice 1. Read the questions below. Use the word box to help you complete the fact hook. Question 1. Would you like to own a pet dragon? Your word box is fire, dragons, and mythological. The hook is, blank are blank creatures that can fly and breathe blank. Your hook should say, dragons are mythological creatures that can fly and breathe fire. Question 2. What is your favorite ice cream flavor and why? Your word box is USA, national, and did you know? Your hook is blank blank blank, that July is blank ice cream month in the blank. Your hook should say, did you know that July is National Ice Cream Month in the USA? Practice 2. Write fact hooks for each question using the hints. Question 1. Would you like to own a pet pig? Hint: pigs are smarter than dogs. Your hook might sound something like this: did you know that pigs are smarter than dogs? Question 2. What is the best food to eat for breakfast? Hint: toast is a common breakfast food in the USA. An example of what your hook might sound like is, in the USA, toast is a common breakfast food eaten every day.
Remember, here your hook should be one sentence stating a cool fact.
Now it's time for practice 3. Rewrite your hook from your essay in part 1 of this book. Then, write a new hook for the same essay using a fact. The essay question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? The example from the first essay, essay 1, hook is, imagine it was winter all year long. Now, my fact hook example is, did you know that every 4 years there is a Winter Olympic Games? Now it's your turn. Go back to your first essay in part 1 of this book and write your hook. Then, write a new hook using a fact.
Remember, look for your essay 1 hook in workshop 15. Wonderful work! Now you know another super hook you can use to make your essay even stronger. I'll see you in the next workshop.